Rare Beauty just sent over their brand new True to Myself pressed powders, and I wanted to give you guys my first impression of these. They sent me 3 shades. I'm not sure if there are more shades, but I have 3, and we're gonna take a look at them together. Okay, so I have this little pouch here that contains a little powder puff to use with the powder. You can see it has little corners like so, just to get really precise underneath the eye. And by the way, this little bag here retails for $12, and then these little sponges come in a set of 2, and they will retail for $15. Okay, so there are actually a total of 14 different shades of this powder. The powder itself is gonna retail for $30. The only setting powder from the 3 that they sent over that's gonna possibly work for me is the color Porcelain, and this is the lightest shade out of all of them. So hopefully it just like gives me this brightening effect. But yeah, this is the lightest one out of all of them. And I'm in the medium skin tone range, so these are probably not gonna work for me. This is the color Honey. See, like this under the eye, I don't see it working, or even to set the face. It's too warm for me. And then this one here is the color Espresso. This is too dark for me. Espresso is the darkest shade out of all of them, and then this one is too light, the first one that I showed you guys, but we're gonna try it. It claims that it's a light, flexible coverage with a lit from within finish. It's buildable, breathable, and always looks natural. It has a fresh, diffused look that never looks flat. It won't cake, crease, look dry, or clog your pores. I think it's so perfect for touch-ups. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comments.